All right, we have temperatures in the single digits in northeast North Dakota, 5s in Cavalier, Langdon, and we have 6 in Devils Lake, a pair of 7s in Jamestown and Valley City, and 10 in Gwinner with 12, the warm spot, and that's down in the Wahpeton Breckenridge area. Up in northwest Minnesota, where there are loftier snow amounts, Roseau at 1 degree above for now, with 9 in Detroit Lakes. We have quiet conditions here. It's still a little on the breezy side. Those winds at 14 miles per hour still from the northwest, making it feel like 5 below zero, with the temperature in Moorhead a couple of degrees cooler at 9 degrees this hour. And as we take a look at wind chill factor now, 13 below is what it feels like in Badette on exposed skin, Bemidji at 15 below and 16 below in Thief River Falls, with a brisk 11 below wind chill in Devils Lake. Bundle up outdoors. Exposed skin will really cool off quickly. We have clearing skies across the region, but that northwest flow does continue. And for some, it's still gusty, particularly in the southern Red River Valley. This cold air mass is all the way south toward the Gulf of Mexico, triggering a few showers of rain down in southern Texas. They could really use some rain in southern California, but things still look dry there. Now, with this cold air digging so deeply, there is warmer air just off to the west of us, creating some clouds in Montana, and it is on its way. Your hour-by-hour forecast shows, though, in the early hours of the overnight, a few areas, particularly in northwest Minnesota, will dip below zero. Then this bank of clouds starts pushing in from the west. So as we rise and shine tomorrow, cloudy west, clear east, and temperatures will briefly stay below zero, but with the clouds moving in, they'll start warming back to around 10 degrees. So 5 to 10 degrees as a rule. Notice this, wind speeds not so bad, 5 to 15 miles per hour. And as we go through the early half of the day, wind chills in the morning will be between -5 and -20 across the region. So bundle up first thing in the morning, quite chilly. We'll be on our way up toward 20 degrees south and mid-teens for many in northwest Minnesota. A cloudy day, but temperatures will certainly be warmer and the wind will be a lot less, as we'll see 5 to 15 mile per hour winds, temperatures surging into the mid-20s, maybe even a few upper 20s in the far west. As we look off to the east, a lot of teens to near 20 degrees in Fergus Falls. So for Fargo, a chilly start to the day, 6 out at the bus stop. Then as we rise in the afternoon, mid-20s, a few degrees better than today. We'll see only a few peaks of sunshine and wind that will be mainly westerly at 5 to 15. Best chance at 30-degree weather will be down Jamestown, points south and west of there, 17 in Bemidji tomorrow afternoon on your way home from school, and 18 in Roseau. Here's a great shot of that supermoon once again. We want to thank everyone for uploading photos like Kyle did. Thanks for taking this one taken north of Moorhead. All right, even warmer as we go into the weekend. Friday, 29 degrees. Late snow possibly could linger into those tailgating hours on Saturday morning. And then looks like Sunday will be quite warm, 36 degrees. And then next week, we won't talk too much about it, but temperatures do dive back down into the single digits.
Not so bad next week. We can talk about it.
Okay, you want to talk about it?
Well, we don't have time right
Not
now,
anymore,
but maybe
no.
later.
We'll talk about it a little later at the end of the show.
Thank you.
Yeah.